Welcome back to Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive on a 1967 Coronet. Check our website out, maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures. You can see all of our inventory. We update that every week. You can also see shipping and finance options. This one's got a 360 under the hood. See, it's got power steering and front disc brakes. Drum in the rear. It's a very pretty car all the way around. We're going to be doing a walk around video of this car, point out any kind of flaws on the outside, underneath, and inside. It's always two parts to every car, a walk around and a test drive. You can easily access any of our cars here on YouTube by going to our website, picking out one you like, and then typing in the year, the model, and Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gotta look around the interior. Got some aftermarket gauges under the dash for your oil, volts, and water. Dash pad's in great shape. We'll go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works? We'll be trying that out here in a moment. Seems to start up nice and easy. You also have a tach underneath the dash. Try some of this stuff out, see if the blower motor works. I know we don't have any AC. Blower motor is not working on this one. Radio. I'm gonna say the radio don't work either. It's making some static, but I don't hear anything. 82,000 miles is what the dash is showing. Gas gauge is coming up to quarter tank. We'll wait on the temperature gauge there to see if it works. We'll just be focusing on this one mainly though. Sometimes I'll have both hooked up. All right, where is the wipers on this car? So we got flashers here. I don't see anything lighting up on the dash. Go ahead and try this horn out. Horn works. What is this switch? There's our wipers. Must have had the wipers right here. I was looking for them and I couldn't find them. You can stop them wherever you want, so you got to stop them down towards the bottom. Oil pressure's up to 60. Engine tip is now coming up. Good deal. Let's take off down the road. Guys, this is ghost car. Look at this. What in the world is going on and why is it turning like that? Y'all can explain that to me. I ain't never had that happen. It just started turning right before I took off here, I promise. It's turning the wheels and all. Is it gonna do that on my test drive? That's crazy, man. Let's just see how she goes. All right, guys, anything that I see that may be wrong, I will let you know. I don't know what was all that steering wheel. That was kind of crazy. Doesn't seem like it's doing it driving around the parking lot. It just seemed like it was doing it when I was pulling out. Or just sitting still. Let's check it out. Not doing it at all now. We're actually going straight as an arrow down the road. And the steering's very tight. Speedometer's coming up. Engine temp's up to 150 now. Let's try our brakes. Brakes are stopping fast and they're not pulling. Kickdown's not hooked up, but this motor's pulling strong. Feels pretty good. Turn signals are not popping up on the dash. I'm gonna use them anyways. They could be blinking on the outside. There's just no indicator inside here. I don't hear the clicking. I don't see anything flashing. You know what? If you listen real close, you can hear that click. I may be going deaf from all the music that I played. You can hear it though, it's just very quiet. Hey, what? The steering's silky smooth. I want to see, I'm going to stop again and see if it just starts turning on me again. I don't know. I was just sitting in the parking lot and it went all the way, turned all the way to the right. I'm not seeing it do that at all anymore. I was in park, of all things. Not touching the brakes, nothing. Now it's nice, silky smooth. So if y'all got an explanation for that. All right, we're gonna get some outside shots here in this parking lot. I'm also gonna do a walk around, point out any kind of flaws inside out, all around the car. Definitely check that out. Our engine temp is now at 190. Oil pressure's at 40. Everything's looking nice and the way it should be. Let's get these outside shots. Guys, I've been circling around this parking lot. I did a full detailed description video on this car. Water temperature's at 190. Oil pressure's almost at 50. We're so good. We've been sitting here idling for a while. All right, let's take off now. Go ahead and head back to the lot. Definitely should watch the walk around video. This car is very clean on the outside. Nice and smooth, straight as an arrow. good going down the road. Little 360's pulling hard. You gotta hold this turn signal up. It doesn't lock in position here. Speed bump's coming up right here. Pretty smooth. Usually these big long cars got the best suspension. Feel like a boat riding down the road. Just float over. This car here drove awesome during the test drive. We're gonna go jump into another car. And we really need this sign next door that says parking next door. Just had somebody pull in behind me. I'm blocked in. All right, guys. I'm gonna go do my thing. Tell them move next door. Appreciate y'all riding along with me. All right, guys. Appreciate y'all watching this video. If you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com. Got close to 100 detailed pictures of every car. We got financing and shipping information. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. You can also see all of our inventory on our website. If you see something you like, type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar to easily find it. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day if you're new to the channel. And thank y'all for sharing these videos. It helps me out greatly. You can check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and TikTok. All right, guys. I got about an hour left to work, so I'm gonna grab another car and make another video. Let's get it.